Hi there! I suspect you have a question or two in mind about views. Well, you've come to the right place. Let me give you a little tour and answer your questions on what views are and how they work. When you open M-Files, you can already see views. That include views, recent, assigned, and checked out. These are all inbuilt views that can be found in every M-File solution. In Recent, you can see all the objects you have modified or read during the past 30 days. Assigned will show all the assignments that require any actions from you, and Checked Out shows all the documents you currently have reserved for modification. Within Views, you can find My Views that you can create and modify to best suit your way of working, and the Common Views that are designed by your company for you and your colleagues to use. You can also add your personal views as tabs next to the inbuilt views. This makes them easier to access, no matter where you are in M-Files. By double-clicking yourself into a view, you'll get a nice overview of what is stored in M-Files. You can also see how one piece of information is related to another piece of information by clicking the relationship arrows. By the way, did you know that a single document can exist in several views? It's all thanks to the power of metadata. Now, a short answer to the question, what are views? Is that views are basically saved searches based on metadata. Every time you double-click yourself into a view, M-Files will automatically search for all the objects that match the view's metadata search criteria. This means that when you modify a document in one view, the changes will also be visible in every view where the document appears. There is still one thing I'd like to show you: column settings. You can simply add columns by right-clicking on the column area. Now you can have the metadata of your choice in the listing area and sort information according to it. The column settings are view-specific and user-specific, so go ahead and customize. You are in charge. Views are a powerful way of sorting and finding information in M-Files, and they are here to make your life easier. Now you must be thinking, how do I create my own views? Well, come with me and I'll tell you about that in the next video. See you there.